In this quick video, I'll show you how to convert YouTube video to MP3 in laptop or PC. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So firstly, open YouTube on your device and then click on your channel icon and now go to YouTube Studio. Once you are here, we just need to navigate to content section. Here you will find all of the videos you uploaded on your channel, and the next step is to download the video you want to convert to MP3. I want to convert this video to MP3, so for that I will simply click on these three dots, then click on download. Then it will start downloading your video in your device. As you can see, my video is now downloaded, and now I just need to minimize this tab and open this application called VLC Media Player. I just need to open it, and after that click on media. You will find it in the left corner, and now click on convert/save and then click on add. Now we need to select the video we want to convert to MP3. I downloaded this video from my channel. I will simply select it and then click on open, and after that click on convert/save. And for the next step, we need to select profile as audio MP3. You will find bunch of options here, but we need to make sure that it is selected on audio MP3. Once you select it, now select the destination file where you want to save your converted video. I will simply click on browse and now select the folder where you want to save your converted video. I want to save it in my desktop, so I will click on desktop, and now as you can see it is in MP3 format. After that click on save and now click on start to start converting. And if I minimize it, you can see my video is on my desktop because I saved it in my desktop and it is now converted into MP3 file. So this is the way. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.